headed to Blythe because we are going to go eat some Indian food, Indian cuisine. So we're almost there. We'll see you in a minute.
It's pretty.
India, that is pretty.
Pretty dancer here.
Is that how you do it, girl? Do it. Do it.
What? You like that? I know.
So we're here at Taj Indian Cuisine. They do have a buffet and it's from 10 to 3, so yay. Sorry, their lunch buffet is from 11 a.m. to 3 and their dinner is from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Oh, okay. Inside we go.
Oh, this is good.
Oh, cool. Welcome to Taj, Cuisine of India. So there's chicken curry, lamb curry, egg curry. What is this? Tandoori chicken. Wow. A lot of food.
The vegetables, that one over there, it's deep fried. It's like,
Cauliflower.
yeah, cauliflower, but they deep fry it like tempura.
Wow.
But it's got the Indian spice
Cool.
to it, the flavor, but it's not hot.
Do you want me to move this basket so it's not?
It's fine. It all looks so good. I can't wait to eat.
What would you like?
So this is the start to it. Ooh.
Cauliflower. It's so good.
We stopped by there.
Oh my god. Potato
we got
and
here.
what is this? Potato?
Green pea.
Yeah. There
And green
first.
pea curry. Ooh. So this, what is this? Pakora bread?
Yep. Bread pakora.
Yeah, it is really delicious.
Okay.
Because if we walk
Thank you so much. And this is
Ooh.
the spinach pakora. Oh, thank you.
That looks yummy.
It's amazing. With the mint chili. Oh, this bread is delicious. This is spinach pakora. Oh my gosh. It's
That looks really good.
Thank you. It's so good, y'all.
you.
With the mint chili.
This is spicy from them.
Yummy.
Oh, okay.
And a different type of rice.
That's nice. I like that taste. It's really crunchy.
Oh, you have one.
So this bread also has mixed vegetables in it. It's pretty good.
Interesting.
That was yummy. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and head back to base camp. If you ever get a chance, this is in Blythe. You definitely should check it out. It's in the same parking lot as Albertsons.
Masala.
So what do y'all think?
It was very, very good. Very generous people too.
Yes, they were there, very nice, and to the kids as well.
Yeah, they made them special food and
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you come back, they'll make anything you want special order. Just
yep.
call ahead.
Just request.
Oh, really?
If you have anything special that you want.
Like I
Oh.
walked in and said, "Do you have a spinach pakora?" And he said, "Let me make sure." And he went back there and made a whole plate and put it on.
Right, I saw
He
that,
also
yeah.
said that he made that their spicy, not our spicy. American spicy.
Right, yeah, it wasn't as spicy as I thought it would be, thankfully.
But it's really nice and tasty.
Yes, it was. So the restaurant is across the street, and this is where Carolyn had lost her cat, so I thought I'd come over here where she thinks she's not for sure. So I just wanted to come check since we were here. Huh? I don't see them. I guess they're not here during the day. But the lady that actually owns the Indian restaurants comes over and feeds these cats. So here's some of, yeah. I guess they're not here during the daytime. No, I don't see any cats at all.
They're probably all hiding out.
Probably in the trailer court back there. I think this is where she actually parked. So, yep, I don't see any cats at all. Oh well,
Probably underneath the trailers.
probably hiding somewhere.
It's pretty junky. Sorry,
No, you're fine.
junky over here. But
It is kind of. There's a
look how
lot of
nice-
trash along the fence and stuff.
Look how nice they have it for the cats. She feeds them and makes beds
Yeah,
for them.
I just showed where the cats get fed and
Oh,
stuff.
It's precious. It's a perfect place for the cats.
Well, yeah, because
It's
it's
like their own
enclosed
house.
and stuff. They probably come here at nighttime.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a real commitment, yeah, because this is very expensive. So in Florida, I used to do fixed feed and feral, and to feed 20 feral cats can get to be very expensive.
It can.
So
A lot of
Even
cats.
having a single animal is like having a child.
Yeah, that's true.
It honestly
and
is.
then you have to catch them and get them spayed and neuter, otherwise they keep growing the population.
So, but then you release them, right?
Right, so what you do is you catch them in a humane trap once they have a litter, you get them all spayed and neuter, and the organization pays for that, like vets commit their time to do it.
Right.
And then they release the cats, you bring them back, you keep them for a day or two while they heal, and then you release them, and then you feed them,
Right.
and that keeps the population down. hopefully
Yeah.
Stay and neuter your pets, people.
Yeah.
Tell
Stay and neuter
them.
your pets, people.
So yeah, here once again is where she feeds the cat. One last call. Kitten! Meow meow! Meow meow! No? Alright. Alright.
It does look like it.
Well, one kitten came.
No, hers is long.
Hey meow meow! Yeah, that's not her cat.
It's like, who are you?
It's
No.
longer in the.
Yeah, she has a long-haired cat. That one's not. So
That one's
It's
got a butt.
adorable.
it's cute. Bye, kitty.
She seems pretty tame for a
Bye.
cat, though. She won't come close.
She does. She might actually belong to someone in the trailer court.
It's like, oh, are they putting that food out?
Yeah,
Go
they're
get
like,
some.
is it food time?
That's like her
I can
mom.
guarantee you that's
That
what
lady's
it's
like the
thinking.
house mother.
Right.
The house mother.
Wait.
Never had one
mother. The Taj?
man.
Yeah.
Super generous. I love that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were really
I
nice
gave them,
people
like,
at that
really good
restaurant. Yeah.
I tipped them extra today.
That
just
kind
because.
of people deserve all the tips they can
Yeah.
in the world. Like,
Right.
Yeah, you don't, because that's like going.
Above and
Free
beyond.
Free two
Right.
child meals for free. Then you make special ordered the spinach.
Yeah.
Right.
The
Yeah.
pizzas.
And didn't charge us anything.
Yeah,
and then
it's
he
just-
offered them both juice, the kids
Right.
too. And they were like, no, thank you.
What you think, Moo-moo, huh? You smelling something? Anyways, I've decided to go for a quick bike ride, and I'm taking Moo-moo along so she can get a little bit of exercise too. There she is right there. Anyways, yep, let's continue on. Come on, Moo-moo. Run, Forrest, run! Run, Forrest, run! Run, Moo-moo! What you smell, Moo-moo? Is that gas? Natural gas. Okay, well, it's starting to drizzle, so our bike ride might be cut short. I was really wanting to go to Dome Mountain, but that's a really steep climb, plus it's getting ready to rain, so I don't think we'll be doing that. I have climbed Dome Mountain before in the past, so if you're interested in that video, there should be a link at the end, so make sure you watch out for that. Lord. Well, here comes Dan and Carolyn. I guess they are doing a little exploring themselves. Hello! Howdy, neighbor! What y'all up to? Exploring? Are we exploring? Okay. We're passing you. Even Moo-moo's passing you. Oh, sorry. I'll move. So what is that, gliding in? Oops, oops. Yeah, oopsie. Hey, bad driving there. Lord.
She goes, I'm getting away from you. You drive crazy.
Did y'all do some exploring?
Yeah, I went up pedaling.
I went
That's
up
cool.
and found a geocache up there.
Oh, cool. We had went and ate at that Indian restaurant,
Which one?
the one in Blythe. I checked on kids to see if I could see Kitten, but I didn't see Kitten, so yeah.
So, was the lady there, the owner lady?
Yeah, oh, I didn't see her. I saw her husband and stuff.
Oh.
And then I called. I was like, meow, meow, but a cat came, but it wasn't her. Yeah. It was a gray cat, yeah, so.
Yeah.
Are you gonna say bye, Moo-moo? She says bye, peace out, keep it real.
Peace out, girlfriend.
Run, go Moo-moo. Catch her. Run, Moo-moo, run. Y'all are too slow. Run, Moo-moo, go. Slow children. Oh, you got her. She gave up. Well, the day is coming to an end, and hopefully tomorrow I can go hiking. I don't think I'm going to take the bike. We're going to go for a hike and do some exploring, so hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. I love everyone out there. Bye for now. Mwah.
Oh, don't.
You got two on you.
Yeah.
Attacking.
He was humping her.
Was he? Hey, none of that, sir. What is this?
Oh, it's food.
Oh, that looks yummy. What is that?
This is cheese tortellini and caponelli.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
And basil chicken sausage.
Ooh, and
There's
asparagus.
some asparagus. It doesn't match pasta very well, but
No, but
still good.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Thank you.
You're welcome.